Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. Selamat berpuasa kepada semua pelajar-pelajar yang beragama Islam. Sekarang kita akan teruskan kita punya pembelajaran. Bahagian yang ketiga untuk trigonometric ratios. Now, you want to know how do you determine the values of sine, cosine and tangent of acute angles. Now we look at the example 4 in your textbook. The diagram on the right shows a right angle triangle PQR. This one, the right angle triangle PQR. Calculate the value of length of PR. First you have to find length of PR. So how to find the length of PR? By using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem. So to find this one, PR is the hypotenuse. Why this one is hypotenuse? Because this one is the longest side of this triangle and is opposite to the right angle, 90 degree. So this one is hypotenuse. So to find PR is square root of 15 square plus 8 square. So length of PR is 17 centimeter. Next, sine angle PRQ. Sine angle PRQ. So you have to determine which angle it's refer. The angle is at R because angle PRQ. So the angle is at R. To determine value of sine, the ratio for the trigonometric ratio is sine opposite over hypotenuse. So angle is at R, opposite is 15. This QP over hypotenuse PR. Therefore, sine angle PRQ equals to 15 over 17. C, cos PRQ. Still at the angle R, cos is adjacent QR over hypotenuse PR. So cos angle PRQ equals to 8 over 17. D, tangent QPR. QPR. Now angle is not at R but angle at P because angle QPR. So angle at P, tangent is opposite QR over adjacent. So QR over QP. 8 over 15. Make sure you look at which angle it is refer. Now example 5. The diagram on the right shows right angle triangle PQT and RQS. You have two right angle triangle. PQR is straight line. PQR is straight line means that this angle 90 degree. Given that the length of SQ is 6 centimeter. SQ is 6. So this symbol means have equal length. Therefore ST is 3 centimeter, TQ also 3 centimeter. Calculate the value of length QR. You want to know this side. length of QR. So just use the Pythagoras theorem. So the length of QR is square root of 10 square minus 6 square. Okay, answer 8 centimeter. Okay, next, length of PT. Okay, length of PT. So you know that SQ is 6, therefore TQ is 3. So you just use Pythagoras theorem to find PT. Okay, this one 4 square plus 3 square. So next you can get the value of PT. Alright. C. Sine QRS. Sine QRS. So angle at R. Angle at R, you must look at this triangle. You must look at this measurement of this triangle. Okay, look at the measurement of this triangle. Okay, so angle at R, sine is opposite SQ over hypotenuse SR. Okay, so sine QRS is 6 over 10, and reminder, ratio value should be given in simplest term. Okay, you get 6 over 10, then you simplify into 3 over 5. Okay. D. Cos angle TPQ. Angle TPQ. So angle at P. Angle at P, you must refer to triangle PQT. Okay, so cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Therefore, cos TPQ is 4 over 5. Okay, how do you know this one 5? Because just now you have find it at B. Okay. E. Tangent PTQ. PTQ. So angle at T. Tangent is opposite 4. Okay, opposite over adjacent. Adjacent, this one just now you calculate, you get 3. Okay, so 4 over 3. And for F, tangent QSR. QSR. So you refer at angle S. Tangent is opposite QR. Okay, QR over SQ. Therefore, tangent QSR is 8 over 6. Then you simplify 4 over 3. Now, what is the relationship between sine, cosine and tangent? For right angle triangle, you have learned that sine is opposite side over hypotenuse, cosine adjacent side over hypotenuse, and tangent, you know that opposite over adjacent. Do you know that the three trigonometric ratio are related to another? Tangent is the ratio of sine to cosine. Okay, let's study this diagram. Okay, you have right angle triangle PQR, and given the measurement PQY, PRX and RQ1, and this angle theta. It is known that sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So x over 1, therefore x equals to sine theta. Okay. Next, cos theta adjacent over hypotenuse is y over 1. Y equals to cos theta. Okay. And tangent, okay, tangent is opposite over adjacent, x over y. X is sin theta, y is cos theta. Thus, tangent theta also ratio of sine to cosine. Okay? Okay, now let's look at example 6. If sine theta equals to 0.6 and cos theta equals to 0.8, calculate the value of tangent theta. In this question, it is not given to you the right angle triangle. So you do not know the measurement of the right angle triangle to find tangent theta. Therefore, you use the ratio between sine theta and cos theta. Tangent theta is sine theta over cos theta. Okay, given that sine theta is 0.6 over 0.8, cos theta given 0.8. Then you must simplify this ratio. Okay, fraction for the numerator and denominator must be in whole number. So you simplify, you get 3 over 4. Or you can write in decimal number. Okay. Now let's look at example 7. If sine theta equals to 3 over 8 and tangent theta equals to 3 over square root 55, calculate the value of cos theta. Now given value sine theta and tangent theta. Okay. Use this formula, tangent theta equals to sine theta over cos theta. Therefore, okay, you just substitute the value. Tangent theta is 3 over square root 55 equals to 3 over 8 over cos theta. Then you cross multiply, you get cos theta equals to 3 over 8 over 3 over square root 55. Okay, then you will get square root 55 over 8. Okay, how you get this one? Okay, 3 over 8 over 3 over square root 55, you change into 3 over 8 times square root 55 over 3. Okay, then you simplify 3, you get square root 55 over 8. Just leave your answer like this. No need to find square root 55. Okay. Okay, now look at example 8. The diagram on the right shows right angle triangle PQR. Given PR 20 cm and sine QPR. So angle at P. Okay, sine QPR 3 over 5. Calculate the length of QR. Calculate the length of QR. So, okay, how to find value of QR? Now you cannot use Pythagoras theorem because you only know this side, the hypotenuse side. You do not know the other side. To use Pythagoras theorem, you have to know 2 length of side. Then only you can use Pythagoras theorem. Now, you have to use the trigonometric ratio sine angle QPR given. Okay, sine angle QPR. So how you know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse? Angle at P opposite is QR. So you can find this one. Okay, because sine is opposite over hypotenuse. You know the length of hypotenuse. Okay, this is how you get length of QR. Sine QPR equals to 3 over 5. And to find sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, then you know PR is 20. QR over 20 equals to 3 over 5. Then cross multiply, you get 3 times 20 over 5. Okay, then simplify, you get QR equals to 12 centimeter. Or, okay, this one another tips how you can find QR. Okay, sine QPR opposite 3 over 5. Hypotenuse is 5. QR 3, PR 5. You look at this actual measurement is 20. So how from 5 can get 20? Times 4. 5 multiplied by 4, you get 20. Okay, same goes to QR. To get QR, 3 you must multiply by 4. Then you will get length of QR 12 centimeter. Okay, this one is another way you can show your calculation. Okay, B. Calculate cos angle QPR. Cos angle QPR, okay, angle at P. Cos is adjacent. This one is adjacent over hypotenuse. But now you do not know the length of PQ. Now you have to use Pythagoras theorem to find PQ because now you know the length of QR. So PQ is 16 centimeter. Therefore, you can find value of cos angle QPR. Okay, you know this one 16 centimeter adjacent over hypotenuse 20 centimeter. Okay, then you must simplify this one. You get what? 4 over 5. Okay. Alright, now let's look at example 9. Another example. The diagram on the right shows right angle triangle PQT and RQS. Given that PQR are straight line, calculate the value of cos X. Now you want to know cos X. Okay, you know that cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. RQ over hypotenuse SR. But now you do not know this length. You do not know the length of QR. So what you have to do, you have to find the length of QR first. Okay, how to get the length of QR? You have to know the length of SQ. Do you know the length of SQ? No, you do not know. Okay, but you know that ST equals to TQ. So you have to find length of TQ. How? By using Pythagoras theorem. Yeah, by using Pythagoras theorem, because this one you have a right angle triangle and you know the length of two sides, the hypotenuse and this side. So by using Pythagoras theorem, you get length of TQ 5 centimeter. Next, you know that this one have equal length. ST equals to TQ. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So SQ is 10 centimeter. Okay. Now, can you find this length? Can you find the length of QR? Yeah, the length of QR. Okay, is square root of 26 square minus 10 square. So QR is 24 centimeter. Now you can find value of cos x. Cos x is adjacent over hypotenuse. You get 24 over 26. Then you simplify into 12 over 13. Okay? Alright, another example. Okay, today you have many examples. Okay. Example 10. The diagram on the right shows a right angle triangle. Okay. PRS. Okay, the whole or the big one is the right angle PRS. Given that PQR is straight line, cos 60 degrees equals to 0.5. Calculate the length of PS. State answer correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, in this question, given information that cos 60 is 0.5, but where is 60 degrees? Is it you know where is 60 degrees in this diagram? No, you do not know where is 60 degrees. Because this one is 30 degrees, this one 30 degrees. Here, angle 30 degrees. Okay? Alright. Calculate the length of PS. You want to know the length of PS. So, what can you do to find the length of PS? First, understand the problem. Calculate the length of PS, which is the hypotenuse of triangle PRS. Okay, this one is the hypotenuse. You have to refer to this triangle PRS, not PQS, because PQS is not a right angle triangle. The right angle triangle is PRS. Okay, so this one is what you want to find. Okay, alright. Next, plan a strategy. You know that PS equals to square root PR square plus SR square. SR and QR can be calculated if SQR, angle SQR or angle QSR is known, but you do not know the angle. You do not know this angle. So you have to identify the position of cos 60. Okay, based on this information. You know that cos 60 is 0.5. So now you have to identify the position of cos 60. So implement the strategy. Angle QSP 30 degrees, and this one is isosceles triangle. So this angle, okay, this angle is 30 degrees. Okay, thus angle PQS, okay, this angle PQS is 180 degrees. Why 180 degrees? Because the total interior angle for a triangle is 180 degrees. 180 degrees minus 30, then you will get this angle. Okay, so this angle is 120 degrees. Therefore, you know that PQR is a straight line. PQR is straight line. So, the adjacent side to 120 is complement of the angle. So, 180 minus 120. Then you will get this size of angle is 60 degrees. Okay, now you already know this one is 60 degrees. Alright, look at the question. Cos 60 is 0.5. 0.5 is equals to 1 over 2. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay. Alright. Cos 60 1 over 2 QR over hypotenuse. Okay, over hypotenuse is QR over 10. How do you know this one 10 centimeter? Because this one isosceles triangle have same side. This one have this side have same length. So this one 10 centimeter. This one also 10 centimeter. So QR adjacent over hypotenuse equals to 1 over 2. Then you can find length of QR. Length of QR is 5 centimeter. Alright. Now you know this side 5 centimeter. This side 10 centimeter. Now you can find the length of SR. Okay. You can find length of SR by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem, you get SR square root 75. Just let your answer in this set form. Okay, square root 75 is the length of SR. Okay, look at this question. Calculate the length of PS. You want to know this length. Now you already know length of PQ, QR, and SR. So the last one is you have to find length of PS by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so the last answer you should state in correct to 2 decimal places. 17.32 centimeter. Okay, making conclusion, PS is 17.32 centimeter when you round off correct to 2 decimal places. Alright, so now time for do exercise. Okay, your task for today is to do mind test 5.1D in your textbook, page 117 and 118. Okay, good luck.